If you've been following the series, you'll know that I have been investing in this public.com stock brokerage, starting with $1,000 and building it all the way up to what it is today. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I highly recommend you go back and watch my playlist to catch up so you can follow along with what I've been doing so far. And if you're interested in joining me on this stock investing adventure, feel free to use the link down in the description below so that you can get a free fractional share with public.com, and you'll also be able to follow along and see what stocks I'm investing in. Now, let's get started. As I mentioned in my last video, I'll be investing $300 into this account every single month. And since it's the first week of the month in January 2023, I'll be doing exactly that. Keep in mind, if you do start this journey with me, you don't have to invest as much as I am every single month. You can put as little as $5, $10, $20, or you could put as much as $5,000 or more into the account, but it's completely up to you. Overall, the more you invest, the better returns you should see over time. So what's my strategy right now? Since the market has been going down lately, and it seems to be going down every single day and month so far, I'll be doing a method of investing called dollar cost averaging, which is pretty much just adding the same amount of money and investing the same amount of money every single month or at a certain interval every single time, regardless of what the price is. Okay, let me jump into my account so I can show you exactly how much I'll be investing and in what stocks or ETFs. As you can see, I still have the cash from last time in my account, which has gone up slightly from $168.09 to now $171.02, almost $3 whole dollars. Well, actually it's $2.92, but crazy, right? So since I haven't touched this cash amount and I plan on investing $300 every single month, the total that I'll be investing today is $471.02. And personally, I want to keep growing my dividend payout every single month, so that's what I'll be investing in today. I'm going to add more money into monthly paying dividend stocks and ETFs. By the way, none of this is financial advice, nor am I suggesting you purchase anything that I purchase in my account. This is all for educational purposes, so please do your research before you invest in any stocks, ETFs, or anything that you see on my channel or in my videos. Okay, now as promised, I will be investing the $300 that I plan on putting in every single month. So let's do it. Deposit a different amount, $300, next. And that looks good, and confirm. There we go. And it says instant deposit available. While we're transferring your deposit, we upgraded your buying power to $300, which means I can now use those funds immediately to purchase. So let's do exactly that. So the first one that I want to purchase, and the way that I have broken this up is I have that amount that I mentioned earlier, which is now $471.02. And I'm going to be dividing that into different stocks and ETFs. So the first one is PDI. And as of right now, PDI has a dividend yield of 13.49%, and it pays out 22 cents per share, which is pretty dang good. So I'm going to hit trade, I'm going to hit buy, and we are going to calculate how much that's going to be. So it looks like around 6 shares of PDI, because if I do 7, it's going to push me over the 117 mark. So we're going to do 6 here. It's coming out to $112.68. I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to place the order. I'm going to take off the tip. Wow, that's even selected. So I'm going to hit submit, and there we go. My order went through. Now I'm going to move on to the next stock or ETF, and that will be JEPI. And I'm going to hit trade, buy, and for this one I can actually hit buy in dollars, and we're going to do $117 worth of JEPI. Next, there's the order, take off the tip, and hit submit. Done. Moving on now to O or Realty Income Corporation. So we're gonna hit O, hit buy, and we're going to put 117, 117. Next, take off the tip, submit. Oh, actually has a dividend of 4.7% and pays out 24 cents a month. And the last one that we have is Charles Schwab's equity ETF. And right now that's paying a 3.39% dividend yield, and that's roughly around 70 cents a month. So let's put that in, SCHD, buy, and I'm going to do in dollars, 117, next, submit. And there you have it. I only have $7.37 in this account now, and that's because PDI was not letting me invest in a dollar amount. It was making me do a number of shares, which is fine. And now I still have $7.37 left over. But because I have that amount left over, I'm going to use it on something else. So I really do like JEPI. So I'm actually going to go back to JEPI and purchase some more. I'm going to do trade, buy dollars. So I'm going to put the remaining amount that I have in this account. It looks like I'm not able to put cents, so I'm just going to put $7, hit next, 0 tip, and submit. And there you have it. I just invested all the money that I had in my account into these 4 monthly paying dividend stocks and ETFs. And some of you may be asking why I chose those specific dividend stocks and ETFs, and I'll go over that in a video very soon. So on that note, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments section below. And on that note, I will see you all in the next video.